Today we're going to talk about plant organ systems and how they interact, and the goal of this video is to explain how the shoot system and the root system in a plant work together. So first, let's talk about those two organ systems in a plant. The plant body is divided into the shoot system, which is above ground, and the root system, which is below ground. Here are the parts of the shoot system: the leaves, buds, stems, and the reproductive parts like the flowers, fruits, and cones. Here are the parts of the root system: the primary root, lateral root, root hairs, and root tips. Now let's talk about the functions in the shoot system. So I told you that leaves are a part of the shoot system. Here are the functions of a leaf. They manufacture food for the plant by doing photosynthesis. They exchange gases with the environment. They store food and water. Here are the functions of the stems. They transport water and nutrients between roots and leaves, and they support and hold up leaves, flowers, and fruit. They also store food and water. Now, the flowers and cones that are part of the shoot system have some specific functions. Namely, they're the reproductive part of the plant. So they are the reproductive structures and the parts of the plant that have or contain seeds. And the functions of fruits on plants is to provide the plant with a way to disperse the seeds within it. Now let's talk about functions in the root system. The roots anchor the plant in the soil, absorb and transport minerals and water, store food, and produce hormones. They also produce new tissue for anchorage and absorption in the plant. Okay, now that you know the functions of each of those parts of the two systems, let's talk about how the systems interact. So, evaporation of water from the leaves, which is transpiration, something we've talked about in previous videos. Evaporation of water from the leaves draws water and minerals up into the roots. And the vascular tissue, which think of this like the veins in the plant, the vascular tissue is the phloem and the xylem, and these connect the roots and the shoots. Water gets transported around the plant in the xylem, and sugar in sap is transported in the phloem. It's made in the leaves and travels to where it's needed.